Alright, so John, Mary, I'm Kate with GH Houses, and we just finished the closing on your property. I just want to ask you a few questions about your experience. First, how did you guys actually hear about us?
Just sent a postcard.
Okay.
Got a card in the mail.
And you said that you received it actually about a year ago.
Just about.
What changed between the time you got the card to when you actually called us?
Well, each time we'd get close to making, we're gonna do this. Alright. Then he got sick with all his leg and everything, so we delayed it then.
Mm-hmm.
Then I got sick with pneumonia and all that, so finally I decided I'd had enough work, quit work. Thought, okay, let's do this. Well, we thought we gotta clean the house a little bit and do this and that, and then the thought of moving was horrid.
Yeah.
30 years of gone. But then we just finally made the decision and got moving on it.
Well, that was great. So now that it's all said and done, would you recommend selling this way to other people?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. So you guys have moved and you're on to a new chapter in your life, and it's new and exciting.
It's new.
It's new. Well,
I like living near the cities. The farm life is not for me,
Okay.
but the rest of it is. I like that, and I like being with my sister.
Well, that's good. That sounds exciting. Being close to family.
Yeah, because the three of us are going to, this summer, going to travel to Vermont.
Oh, that's wonderful. Well, it's good to see that you guys are
And
actually.
we're going to go this way, up through the United States.
Oh, okay. So you kind of make a nice little trip out of the whole thing and
Yeah.
see some sights.
Because my husband and I, and John, we've been back and forth across the United States and up and down at least 12 times or more. So
Well, that's wonderful.
this will be something different.
Yes. Well, it sounds like you guys have some great new experiences planned out. We hope that you guys let us know about some of your adventures. All right.
Yeah, because we got Sean's address somewhere.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And we really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for choosing.
Yeah, because
us
you're
to
very
work
good to work with, very easy. Sean was exceptional in getting us through all this ordeal.
with.
Good.
That's wonderful. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah. And you have our number, especially mine. So if
Yeah.
y'all need anything, just give us a call.
I think I still have your card.
Uh-oh.
That's another thing I got a lot of.